Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Instagram presence and want to remove some of your Reels from your profile, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest updates, managing your content, including deleting Reels, has become even easier, and you can do it right from your PC. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete your Reels using the Instagram app on your computer. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account. Open the Instagram app on your PC, or if you're using a laptop, head over to Instagram's website and log in. Once you're in, you'll notice a familiar interface, but with a few differences compared to the mobile app. Don't worry, everything we need is just a few clicks away. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main menu. Click on the menu. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger icon, but in the app version on PC, it might just be a list of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of all your posts, stories, and, of course, your Reels. Once you're inside your activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Click on that. Here, Instagram organizes all the media you've ever posted, making it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, click on the Reels tab. You'll see all the Reels you've published listed in chronological order. To delete multiple Reels at once, click the Select button at the top of the screen. This will allow you to pick and choose which Reels you want to remove. Click on each Reel you wish to delete. They'll be highlighted as you select them. If you want to delete everything, you can select all the Reels at once. Once you've made your selection, hit the Delete button. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to remove those Reels from your profile. Click Yes or Confirm to proceed. And just like that, your selected Reels will be gone from your account. It's a quick and straightforward process, especially with the new update that streamlines content management on desktop. There you have it. Now you know how to delete your Instagram Reels using the app on your PC. If you found this helpful, be sure to share this guide with friends who might also want to tidy up their Instagram profiles. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching.